Byeeeeee! Hello, SuziChoclat here. Long time no see. I have had a little break. The other things have got in the way, and yeah, now I'm back, and I've made this little golf card for my brother, and it's a penny slider, and this is how it works. And so I've made it so you pop the golf ball at the top there, and then and then the golf club is on a little brad. And so what you do is you swing the club and the ball rolls down into the hole. Isn't that brilliant? Yeah, I thought that was quite novel, and turned out really well. I've used the apple blossom set of golf stamps and dies, and I have made it on an upright card, and it's a 7x7 inch card. I've put a black matte layer, then a green layer on foam, cut the slider out of that first. The golf ball is stamped and die cut, and then it's on 2 pennies that are fixed together with double layer of foam tape, so that it's got the depth to move up and down. And then I stamped the Eat, Sleep, Golf, Repeat, and then I've put this one, white heat embossing on a black card and a little white edge, and then popped a little bit of green ink around it to make that stand out. The green where the flag is actually loose, and so that wobbles about too. I've drawn a little hole in there and popped the flag through the card, so it looks like the flag is actually into the hole. Then over here it was a bit plain, and so I've stamped a little bit of grass and coloured it with a couple of different coloured pencils from my what are they called now? They are called Arteza. From my Arteza pencils, so that looks like we've got a little bit of rough there. And then the Happy Birdie to You is white heat embossing on a little scalloped oval, and I've cut a white oval underneath and then put a little bit of green ink around the edge of that to make that stand out. Then we've got the little banner on the top of that birthday banner. Yeah, and so let's just do it again. So you just wheel the golf ball up to the top, move the club, and there we go. And then I have popped inside it, may the course be with you, and I've popped a little bag of golf clubs there and stamped RJT on it, which is my brother's initials, and so it looks a little bit more personalised. And yeah, I'm really quite chuffed with making that. And so just pop the golf ball back up again, and here we go. Here we are. Is that cute? If you've got any questions, if you'd like any help about how I made it, or what stamps and dies I used, please leave me a comment under the video or on my blog page, and I'll happily give you more information. Oh, I popped a little bit of green ink onto the green there because it just looked a little bit too plain, so I've sort of given it a little bit of grassy effect. But yeah, I'm really chuffed with that. And it's on a nice black and silver brad, and so hopefully he'll be happy with that, and you will too. If you've got anything penny slider, if you've got a penny slider die, you can make you know, anything from it, or you can just cut a little slit out yourself with a craft knife or some scissors and a couple of pennies, and to make it heavy and for it to fall down the hill. So yeah, there it is. That's my card for today, and I hope to see you again very soon. I have a couple of things that I've been making that has taken me quite a while, and I'm about to do a blog post on that. A fabulous explosion box, which is really personalised. It was a commission that I had asked for me to make, and so I'll be doing a little video of that shortly and popping that on my blog as well and on my YouTube. So thank you very much for watching, and I'm really thankful for your time with me. If you'd like to subscribe so you don't miss any of my tutorials or any of my blogs, then please hit the subscribe button. I really would appreciate it. But anyway, enjoy the sunshine while you can, and happy days to you. Bye bye.